Hello, viewers, learners, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to PMS Edu Dex Talks and Training. Dear viewers, if you're really watching the first time, subscribe, hit all button for your future notification, and decide this is the right platform to accumulate positive ideas and suggestion. Dear viewers, I really wish you advance Happy New Year. As we going to begin with 2024, we are going to continue our 40 days of challenges. How to communicate 40 days of challenges after Jan 5th. We are going to continue. Today's topic is mastering vocabulary, a step-by-step guide. Dear viewers, many have educated you, learn vocabulary, but never guided how to learn to speak, how to select the vocabulary based on the situation. Now, I'm going to guide you how to categorize the vocabulary, how to select the word and its meaning, its definition, as well as how to pronounce the particular word. While we read or while listening to any podcast or YouTube channel, we come across many familiar or unfamiliar vocabulary. But we do not know either it's going to use in our own sentence or not. Do we wish each and every word it's going to use in your own conversation? How are going to make use of the word? That is important. Now, I'm going to guide you how to prepare, how to plan for categorize your vocabulary. The first, you need to know greetings and introduction. Learn the related words or the phrases or even expressions for greetings and for meeting someone. Example, hello, nice to meet you. I am Arun Kumar. What about you? These few words, even you can easily construct the sentence knowing the sentence pattern as well as knowing the parts of speech. These both is very important to construct or to frame a sentence. Dear viewers, you learn vocabulary, but we don't know where to pick, how to pick a word and how to frame a sentence. That is very important, dear viewer. So first, you know and collect the vocabulary related to greetings and introduction. This is the basic vocabulary you should know. The second, the part of vocabulary you should categorize family and members. You have to know related phrases and words. Family members and related to relationships, interpersonal connections. If you know these vocabulary, it's easy to construct vocabulary and the sentence. Example, my brother and I are very close. Wherever we go with each other and we support each other. We understand each other and we do certain activities. If you know vocabulary, you can easily learn to speak the certain words exclusively family members, and relationship vocabulary. Number third, the category of vocabulary is weather and season. Learn the terms that describing the weather condition as well as the seasons. First, when you read any text or if you listen to any podcast or even if you use dictionary, you can use expert dictionary or else you can use dictionary app. Once you started to preparing vocabulary, start preparing related to words, expressions and idioms and phrases. This may support you a lot for constructing sentence. The fourth category, daily activities. Pick related words, idioms and expressions, activities of daily action, daily routine task, etc. Example, after getting up from the bed, I usually go to walk. The fifth category, education and learning. Terms used to or learn to pick the proper and the right vocabulary about education, schooling, curriculum teaching, lesson planning, hands-on activities, and educational activities terms. I need to complete my homework before class tomorrow. There are many more examples. I'm going to study for math examination. If you learn the related vocabulary and if you know to categorize the vocabulary, it's easy to pick when you speak with others. You don't want to wait for the particular word. You don't want to search when you speaking with others. The vocabulary flows as water. So try to categorize while you prepare vocabulary. The sixth category is hobbies and leisure. Learn related to vocabulary, your interest, your hobbies, your spare time activities. If you know the related vocabulary, it's easy to construct the sentence while speaking with others. The seventh category is food and cooking. Learn or pick related words, the cooking and the ingredients and the culinary activities. If you know the related words or expressions or idioms, it's easy to construct communication or it's easy to construct sentence. The eighth category is shopping and consuming. Learn the used terms of shopping vocabulary and the consuming vocabulary. Knowing this, it's easy to construct your own sentence. That's what, while preparing vocabulary, you should categorize the vocabulary and make note out of it. Once you find familiar or unfamiliar words, make note and just find out the structure of sentence. That is important while speaking with others. The ninth category is social media and awareness. When you prepare vocabulary, learn the terms of social issues and awareness. The 11th category is media and networking. Learn related to media vocabulary and networking vocabularies. If you know the vocabulary of media and networking, you can easily communicate for job related and online process and networking. The next category is art on culture. If you know or if you prepare art or related to cultures, it's easy to communicate with others. The final category is science and technology. Learn or select related to vocabulary, the scientific words and technical words. If you know the vocabulary of scientific and technology words, it's easy to communicate with others and you can easily construct the sentence easily. So, dear viewers and learners, I have guided how to categorize the vocabulary. Knowing this, it's easy to construct or frame a sentence and it's easy to communicate with others. So, dear viewers and learners, when you begins to prepare vocabulary, first you know the parts of speech and you should know the category, which category it belongs to. If you know it belongs to the category, it's easy and when you speak with others. So, dear viewers and learners, follow the instruction and learn vocabulary while you speak with others. Thank you very much, dear viewers and learners.